What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to find and use CapCut templates on your mobile device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While using your iOS or Android device, close CapCut and open up your preferred browser, in this case Google Chrome. Look up CapCut templates and you can navigate to the official CapCut website, which will show you various templates. Some users won't be able to open this page or access templates as it might not be available in your region. When clicking on the first link in the video description, you can preview the most popular CapCut templates to use on your mobile device. Simply tap on the CapCut link and select Use Template in CapCut. Your CapCut app will open up. Tap Use Template and you might be asked to grant CapCut access to your photo gallery on your device. Select the images or videos you wish to use with the template, and you can start editing your video. If you encounter problems, such as CapCut not opening up when trying out the template, ensure the CapCut application is up to date. You should also log into your CapCut account to import and save templates. Again, a collection of templates is available in our extensive guide linked below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.